a blue and pink swirl ice cream. Let's make it.
Like me.
Okay.
Is it my turn?
Yes, you can turn.
Okay, now we're gonna put on this red sauce. We have two different kinds of sauce. Before we put on the sauce, we're actually gonna put on some toppings. So we're gonna actually do green. Today we're gonna do some green topping. We're gonna make a cherry.
I'm gonna put aside this one.
We're gonna use a spoon. Oh, here's the spoon. We're gonna get a tiny glob. Now we're just gonna
Hang on.
we're just gonna put that in the mold right there. And then, okay, that ruined. Let's get more Play-Doh. We cut, oh. There. Oh, there's the cherry. We're just gonna take out these corners. Now let's put it on there. Now it's time for syrup. There. Now that's how you make a blue and pink ice cream swirl. Ta-da!
What? Yeah. Good.
There's another ice cream. Okay,
I put orange.
This is called the rainbow swirl. Right there, on.
Yeah.
This is called the rainbow swirl. It looks like a duck.
A duck?
You want to put on some this? Should
Yeah.
I put it on?
But I put orange.
Okay. Let's put on this thing. Now we made another ice cream. That's weird. I did not know that though. Oh, this one turned out bad. Not bad, but great.
I want to try again. I want to try a different way. Without a comb. Yeah.
And that's how you make that ice cream.
What?
And that's how you make ice creams in two ways. And there's another ice cream too. Just add the finishing touches to this ice cream. Okay, now there.
Can I make another ice cream?
We forgot to put syrup on this one.
scoop of blue.
Oh wow.
This one.
That ice cream is awesome. Should we add some sprinkles there on?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we are gonna add sprinkles. Okay, I forgot how to make sprinkles, so let's try. I did that by accident. Darren, that's a cool ice cream.
Thank you.
Wow.
Put pink and
Can I press with you? Okay, now here's another chocolate swirl. Maybe not.
I put pink.
Is
It's
that
not chocolate syrup. It's a chocolate syrup.
And here's our fourth ice cream. Now
Another
we're-
ice cream. I want to make another ice cream.
Here's our sprinkles for this ice cream
Yeah.
and that ice cream. Now we're just gonna get some. Just gonna get that thing.